Yoga, an ancient practice and meditation, has become increasingly popular in today's busy society. Yoga provides many mental and physical benefits. Come and practice yoga along with us every day. Here we have Varshika of grade 3. The asanas performed by her are Surya Namaskar and Dhanurasana. Surya Namaskar is also known as sun salutation. It is a set of 12 gracefully linked asanas which massages, detoxifies, and stimulates almost every organ of the body and brings suppleness of the body. Dhanurasana. The bow pose is so called because it looks like an archer's bow. This asana improves digestion and appetite, flexibility to the back, and strengthens back muscles. Following Varshika, we have Darshan from grade 8. The asanas performed by him are Bhujangasana and Utkatasana. Utkat Asana or Kursi Asana, also called as chair pose, strengthens the thighs and ankles while toning the shoulders, hips, and back. It tones your digestive organs. Bhujangasana resembles a serpent with his foot raised. Cobra pose builds strength in back, improves posture, stretches the muscle of the abdomen. Next performance is by Sana of grade 5. She is going to demonstrate Chakrasana and Balasana. Chakrasana is also called as full wheel pose. It is a backbending pose that opens up the chest, tones the thighs, abdomen and arms, and engages the whole body. Balasana is also called as child pose, which, which helps to stretch the hips, thighs, and ankle while reducing stress and fatigue. This asana is excellent for rejuvenating the central nervous system. Following Sana, we can watch Aryan of grade 7 performing Vriksha Asana and Veerabhadra Asana. Vriksha Asana replicates the graceful, steady stance of a tree. It improves balance and stability in the legs. It also strengthens the ligaments and tendon of the feet. Veerabhadra Asana. The warrior pose gets its name from the fact that it is great for overall strengthening of the body. Veerabhadra Asana is apt for an increased vitality of the body. Next video is of Jinsi Sharon from grade 5. Halasana and Salabhasana asanas will be demonstrated by her in this video. Halasana or the plow pose takes its name from the farming instrument plow. It improves the functioning of pancreas, liver and kidney. Salabhasana is the set to resemble a locust at rest, but this pose is anything but a resting pose. It increases spinal flexibility and strength, brings rich blood supply to the spine. Following Jinsi, we have Saurav Siddesh from grade 7. Trikonasana and Sarvangasana will be demonstrated by him. Trikonasana or the triangle pose is standing yoga pose that reduces stress, back pain and anxiety. Sarvangasana is also known as shoulder stand yoga pose. It is called as the mother or queen of all the asanas as it concentrates on the entire body. It helps calm the brain, cures mild depression and relieves stress. We have Moteeswaran from senior KG. The asanas performed by Moteeswaran are Padma Asana and Vajra Asana. Padma Asana, known as the lotus pose, has numerous health benefits for mentality, physicality, and spiritual energy. Vajra Asana is also called as the diamond pose. It promotes good digestion and aids liver function. It is the pose that can be done on a full stomach. These asanas performed on a daily basis will help improve one's flexibility and health. We have Isha S. Murthy from grade 1 to perform the asanas. Isha gives us a cute demonstration of few of the asanas performed by our senior students.